ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी।
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
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 नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
ततो जयमुदीरयेत्।
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवती उत्तम श्लोके
भगवती उत्तम श्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 12, Text number 20. एष दाता शरण्यश्च
एष दाता शरण्यश्च
यथा हि नरः शिभिः
यथा योषिनरः शिविः
यशो वितनिता स्वानां
यतो वितमिता स्वानां
दौष्यन्तेरिव यज्वनां।
योषन्तीरिव यज्वनाम्।
एष दाता शरण्यश्च
एतदाता शरण्यस्य
यथा हि औसिनरः शिभिः
यथा ओषिनरं शिविः
यशो वितनिता स्वानां
यशो वित्तिमिता स्वानां
दौशयन्तीरिव यज्वनां।
दोषयन्तीरिव यज्वनाम्।
एष
एष
this child
this child.
Data,
Data,
donor in charity.
donor in charity.
Sharanyah,
Sharanyah,
protector of the surrendered.
protector of the surrender.
Cha,
Cha,
and
and
Yatha,
Yatha,
as
he,
certainly.
certainly.
Oshinaraha,
Oshinaraha,
the country named Ushinara.
the country named Oshinara.
Shibihi,
Sibihi,
Shibi.
Sibi.
Yashaha,
Yashaha,
fame.
fame.
Vitanita,
Vitanita,
disseminator.
disseminator.
Swanam,
Swanam,
of the kinsmen.
of the kinsmen.
Dushayantihi iva,
Dushyantihi Iva,
like Bharata,
like Bharata,
the son of Dushyanta.
the son of Dushyanta.
Yajvanam,
Yajvanam,
of those who have performed many sacrifices. Of those,
of those who have performed many sacrifices.
translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
This child will be a munificent donor of charity and protector of the surrendered, like the famous King Shibi of the Ushinara country. And he will expand the name and fame of his family like Bharat, the son of Maharaj Dushyanta. Please repeat. This child will be a munificent donor of charity and protector of the surrendered, like the famous King Shibi of the Ushinara country. And he will expand the name and fame of his family like Bharata, the son of Maharaj Dushyanta. Purport. A king becomes famous by his acts of charity, performances of yajnas, protection of the surrendered, etc. A Kshatriya king is proud to give protection to the surrendered souls. This attitude of a king is called Ishvara Bhava, or actual power to give protection in a righteous cause. In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord instructs living beings to surrender unto Him, and He promises all protection. The Lord is all powerful and true to His word, and therefore He never fails to give protection to the different devotees. The king, being the representative of the Lord, must possess this attitude of giving protection to the surrendered souls at all risk. Maharaj Shibi, the king of Ushinara, was an intimate friend of Maharaj Yayati, who was able to reach the heavenly planets along with Maharaj Shibi. Maharaj Shibi was aware of the heavenly planet where he was to be transferred after his death, and the description of this heavenly planet is given in the Mahabharata, Adi Parva 96.6.69. Maharaj Shibi was so charitably disposed that he wanted to give over his acquired position in the heavenly kingdom to Yayati, but he did not accept it. Yayati went to the heavenly planet along with great rishis like Ashtaka and others. On inquiry from the rishis, Yayati gave an account of Shibi's pious acts when all of them were on the path to the heaven. He has become a member of the assembly of Yamraj, who has become his worshipful deity. As mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, the worshipper of the Devatas goes to the planets of the Devatas. Yanti Deva Vrata Devan. Bhagavad Gita 9.25. So Maharaj Shibi has become an associate of the great Vaishnava authority Yamraj on that particular planet. While he was on the earth, he became very famous as a protector of surrendered souls and a donor of charity. The king of heaven once took the shape of a pigeon hunter, bird, eagle. And Agni, the fire god, took the shape of a pigeon. The pigeon, while being chased by the eagle, took shelter on the lap of Maharaj Shibi, and the hunter eagle wanted the pigeon back from the king. The king wanted to give it some other meat to eat and requested the bird not to kill the pigeon. The hunter bird refused to accept the king's offer, but it was settled that later on that the eagle would accept flesh from the body of the king of the pigeon's equivalent weight. The king began to cut flesh from his body to weigh in the balance equivalent to the weight of the pigeon, but the mystic pigeon always remained heavier. The king then put himself on the balance to equate with the pigeon, and the devatas were pleased with him. The king of heaven and the fire god disclosed their identity, and the king was blessed by them. Devarshi Narada also glorified Maharaj Shibi for his great achievements, specifically in charity and protection. Maharaj Shibi sacrificed his own son for the satisfaction of human beings in his kingdom, and thus child Parikshit was to become a second Shibi in charity and protection. Dushyanti Bharat. There are many Bharats in the history, of which Bharat, the brother of Lord Ram, Bharat the son of King Rishabha, and Bharat the son of Maharaj Dushyanta are very famous. And all these Bharats are historically known to the universe. This earth planet is known as Bharata or Bharatavarsha due to King Bharata, the son of Rishabha. But according to some, this land is known as Bharata due to the reign of the son of Dushyanta. So far as we are convinced, this land's name Bharatavarsha was established from the reign of Bharata, the son of King Rishabha. Bharata, the son of Rishabha, before him the land was known as Ilavati Varsha. But just after the coronation of Bharata, the son of Rishabha, this land became famous as Bharatavarsha. But despite all this, Bharat, the son of Maharaj Dushyant, was not less important. He is the son of the famous beauty Shakuntala. Maharaj Dushyanta fell in love with Shakuntala in the forest, and Bharat was conceived. After that, Maharaj forgot his wife Shakuntala by the curse of Kanva Muni, and the child Bharat was brought up in the forest by his mother. Even in his childhood, he was so powerful that he challenged the lions and elephants in the forest and would fight with them as little children play with cats and dogs. Because of the boys becoming so strong, more than so-called modern Tarzan, the rishis in the forest called him Sarvadaman, or one who is able to control everyone. A full description of Maharaj Bharat is given in the Mahabharata, Adi Parva. The Pandavas or the Kurus are sometimes addressed as Bharata due to being born in the dynasty of the famous Maharaj Bharat, the son of King Dushyant. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jai Pataka Swamin Iti Namine. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Esha Data Sharanyascha Yathahi Ashinarah Shibihi Yasho Vitanita Swanam Doshayanti Riva Yajvanam. This child will be a munificent donor of charity and protector of the unsurrendered, like the famous King Shibi of the Ushinara country. And he will expand the name and fame of his family like Bharat, the son of Maharaj Dushyant. So now the Brahmanas are continuing describing Parikshit Maharaj's qualities. We saw in the previous verse, he was compared to Ikshvaku and Lord Ram. Today, Shloka 20 talks about two personalities, King Shibi and Bharat. And just to make sure that which Bharat, Suta Goswami says, it's the son of Dushyanta, Dushyantir Bharat. So, coming first to King Shibi, we heard the story that how just for a pigeon, to protect a pigeon because he had taken his shelter, he sat in his lap. The king assured him full protection. And when the Agni actually in the form of eagle wanted to attack that pigeon. King Shibi said, no, you cannot do that. He says, but I'm hungry, I will need to eat something. He said, you can eat something else. There's so much meat available. But of course, this was a Leela, so he insisted that he wants only this pigeon. So they made a deal. He said, okay, you can take as much flesh from my body. The story goes that he kept on cutting one part of the body and the other part, and but always the pigeon was heavier because they brought a balance. And ultimately, then he decided that there is no point in cutting small portions of the body. He just sat in the weighing scale and said, okay, here I am. So this is the height of protection, height of charity and protection, right? He wanted to just give protection to that pigeon. So these were the kings of the past. Today's kings, they will run away to Switzerland, if something happens like that, with all their billions of dollars. We are seeing that happening every now and then in the history here. They just, abandon their kingdom and run away not because they failed to protect somebody, because they have plundered so much money and murdered so many people and so on and so forth. So that's about King Shibi. Parikshit Maharaj would be like him. Prabhupada says he is the second Shibi. And you can see that in his character. And then King Bharat, son of Dushyanta, he is also very, very famous, Everybody knows. And of course, Prabhupada explained that this Bharatavarsha was supposed to be the whole planet Earth, not India, that is Bharat, with Sri Lanka as a Langoti or something like that. No. This whole thing was Bharatavarsha. So that's why, it didn't remain named Bharata. It became Hindustan and then India and so on, because it doesn't represent the original Bharat. So this Bharat was brought up by his mother. Every Indian knows the story of Dushyanta and Shakuntala. And because Dushyant was cursed, the mother only brought up the child. Now we see so many cases like that. Sita Ma brought up her 2 children. And this Prabhupada calls him Tarzan, modern Tarzan. Like that, because he was in the forest and fighting with the animals and, playing with them, and he was not afraid. His name was Swarva Daman. So, naturally he is very famous, we know that, right? Almost as, I will not like to compare like that, but Krishna is of course the most famous, but Bharat is also famous in his own way. And that's how Parikshit Maharaj will be also famous, because now you see wherever we talk of Bhagavatam, it is Parikshit Maharaj. Without Parikshit Maharaj, there is no Bhagavatam. When we talk, and Bhagavatam again is evergreen. It was popular in the past, it is popular now, it will remain popular, because it is the glorification of Krishna. So we'll continue the further description of Maharaj Parikshit's qualities. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.